Ka Sorkar Jylla kala Bthah ya ka Tnad Pule Puthi bagan wanrah ya ka action plan ni kilinti ban shim na ka bynta ban pyntreikam ya ki jingai jingmut jongka Meghalaya State Education Commission ni MSEC. Apa pintep ya ka ni hadin ba penya ya ka jingialang jongka Kynhun Myntri haga sngi Balang Myntri Rangbah ka Jylla Conrad K Sagma urang ba ya ka khaipot jongka MSEC lawan ra hapo ka jingialang ka Kynhun Myntri ban nyatai sani ya ka.
As you are aware, the Education Commission has submitted its report, and today we have gone into detail and presented the report to the members of the cabinet. And the report was accepted by the cabinet, though the details of the different recommendations have been they've been asked by the cabinet to the Education Department to go through each of the recommendations and come out with actionables and the way forward. And then the cabinet will decide on how we will move forward in the implementation of the report that has and the suggestions been given by this commission.